welcome to the mid-market session from Advisory Desk. Markets today open on a positive note. However, market couldn't sustain the morning gains, and right now they are trading in red. Currently, the Nifty is down almost 30 points at 8310 levels, while the Sensex is down 53 points at 27,400 levels. In percentage term, roughly around 0.3 to 0.4% Sensex and Nifty are trading down. We are seeing the broader indices like the mid cap and the small cap index is also in pressure, and the mid cap index is down 0.7% at this point in time, while the BSE small cap index is 0.4% down at this point in time. What we are seeing today in today's trade, IT stocks are clearly winners, and the IT index is up 2% at this point in time. After the yesterday night, Accenture has upgraded its growth outlook. So this augurs well for IT companies. Because of this reason, all the IT stocks are in green. Largely, Infosys is up 3% at 3.5% at this point in time. Even TCS is up 1.7% at this point in time. So because of this, the IT index is 2% up at this point in time. Apart from IT, we are seeing capital good index is also up at 0.8% at this point in time, largely led by buying interest in counters like L&T, Lakshmi Machine Works, Alstom, T&D, Fact Bearings. Because of that, this index is up 0.8% at this point in time. However, what we are seeing, other indices are witnessing, other sectoral indexes are witnessing selling pressure. We are seeing heavy selling in BSE oil and gas index. It is down 1.8% at this point in time, largely led by Reliance Industry, Oil India, GAIL, and Ken India. This index is down after there is a market buzz that there is a possibility that gas price might be revised downwards to $5.1 MMBTU from current levels of 5.6. So their realization revenues of these companies might be affected. Because of this news, the stocks are reacting negatively at this point in time, and because of that, oil and gas index is down 1.8% at this point in time. Even we are seeing selling interest in realty stock. The BSE realty index is down 2% at this point in time, largely led by DLF, HDI, Indiabulls Real Estate, and Godrej Properties. Because of this, the index is witnessing pressure on account of selling in these heavyweights. BSE Healthcare Index is also down at this point in time, 0.7%, largely led by selling in Dr. Reddy's, Ipca Laboratories, Glenmark, Wockhardt Pharma. Because of these four heavyweights, index is witnessing pressure. Even the FMCG index, which is of defensive kind of nature, is also in selling pressure today, and is down 1.16% at this point in time, largely led by selling in Jubilant FoodWorks, United Spirits, Tata Global, and Godrej Consumer. So all in all, this being the last day of this settlement for this financial year, many of the indices are witnessing pressure. Apart from IT and capital goods, other indices are in red. Sectoral indices are in red. Currency at this point in time is trading at 62.5850 levels versus the dollar, a depreciation of 9% compared to previous close. Friends, that's all from Advisory Desk. We'll keep you posted on more updates in the post-market session. Friends, have a wonderful trading day ahead.